Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this braid. Yes, I'm going to be showing you how to install this braid, and before that let me show you guys how I prep my hair before doing any installations. First things first, before we continue, I want to thank you all for getting me to 10k subscribers. And thank you so much. I would not be here without you guys, without your support and everything. Keep on subscribing, keep on liking and sharing these videos that I'm doing with you guys. Thank you so much for the love. This is something that I've always wanted, and I'm so thankful to each and every one of you. I do not want to talk too much at the beginning of this video, so without no further ado, let's head to the video. I went to the salon and I had my cornrows done. I had 10 cornrows done on my hair. I did not want to have so many cornrows because I do not want to have so much hair. I do not want to have a lot of crochet braids. I'm just tucking the back inside because I don't want it to show. So before that, I obviously washed my hair, went to the salon, had them cornrow my hair. I have 10 cornrows. If you can actually count them, they are 10. And because I did this yesterday, I feel like my hair is not moisturized. I used this rice water mist. I don't know if you can see. It helps with hydration, it detangles your hair, it also prevents hair loss. If your hair is tangled and you spray this thing on your hair, it's going to do wonders. I definitely recommend this product for you, especially if you're a natural hair babe. This product is everything. Then after spraying, I just massage then after that I use this oil. After spraying the mist, I like to go in with the oil. I massage the oil into my scalp and we are done. This is how it is packed, and this is the Kima braid 3 times value pack, and this color is 1B. It is 22 inches. These are the details for the braid that I'm going to be using right now. And the crochet needle, you need a crochet needle. What I'm going to do is, normally when I feel like the packets won't be enough, I like to start from the front because the front is the most important part of your hair. So I like to start from the front as I go back so that I can know how I'm going to be distributing this crochet braids. Then afterwards, if the braid has remained, I'm definitely going to add on to the spaces that are there. So yeah, I think I'm going to be going line by line while doing this. Starting from the back, insert your crochet needle, take the end. Because I had long nails, I went and had my cornrows done at the salon so that I can crochet the hair myself. So you are going to put one finger like this, then crochet the next one, because you do not want them to be so close to each other. And what I like about this braid is the fact that the loop is not really big, so it's not going to hurt you while crocheting. are through with one pack. See, it was really easy. In like an hour I was through the crocheting, and it was not so hard. So if you can't do contours, you can have your contours done at the salon, then you can do your crochet braids by yourself. And actually I have used all of the 3 packs that I had, so I think 3 packs is okay, and I'm loving the look. I love how full it looks. It looks amazing, and the boho look just looks amazing. It looks so cute. So this is definitely a go-to style because it's definitely going to last you for long. I think even if you're someone who stays with hairstyles for so long, I think even to 2 months it's too much for me, but I think it can get to 2 months or maybe 3 months. Yeah, because this is a very nice protective style. Avoid doing tight contours because it's definitely going to pull your hairline. Just avoid having really tight contours. I think this is everything. This is a tip for this tutorial. So avoid tight contours around your hairline and also the actual contours, so that it's going to be easier for you to pull the crochet braid through without feeling pain. And that is everything about this video. And thank you so much for getting me to 10k subs. Hopefully I'm going to be posting more videos from now. And thank you so much for the support. If you've been here, thank you so much for the support. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video if you think it's going to help someone else, share to them. And yeah, if you get to try this hairstyle, you can also tag me and I'll repost on my socials. And until our next video, guys, bye.